Good morning, fourth graders and folks that are watching. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday. It's our review day today, so we have some fun games going for you. So our first game that we're going to do is Beat the Teach. We're going to start out with some multiplication flashcards, okay? And I'm going to be tough on you. So your goal is to say the product before I do, okay? Here we go. Ready? 16, 10, 100, 50, 80, 9, 132, 36, 18, 45, 44, 24, 72, 80, 14, 64, 77, 84, two more, 88, and 16. How'd you do? Did you time me on a couple of them? I hope so. Okay, the next game that we're going to do is stand up, sit down. So some of you told me that you really liked this game and you wanted to play it again. So thank you for requesting that. So here's how this will work. If you answer correctly, stand up. If your answer does not match mine, I'm going to need you to have a seat. But don't worry, whenever you answer another question correctly, you may stand up. Let's see how long you can stay standing. These are going to be over our measures, okay? Measures of capacity. Capacity is the amount a container can hold. Here we go. 16. If you answer correctly, stand up. If not, remain seated. 2, 4, 3, 4, 8, 2, 2 more, 8, last one, 16. How'd you do? Were you standing up more or sitting down more? Let me know, okay? Okay, the next one, we're still going to do stand up, sit down, but it's going to be with a different deck of cards. These are going to be over our linear measures. Remember, linear measures measure length or height. 100, 1,000, 3, 10, 12, 36, 5,280. Remember the for feet for 5,280. 100, remember cent, centy. There are 100 cents in a dollar. There are 100 years in a century. 1,760. 1,000. Remember, kilo is king. He's the biggest one. 10. Deca is 10. Many of you are a decade. You're 10 years old. Hecto-hundred. Hecto-hundred. That's alliteration. Alliteration. 1,000. 2 more. 3. Last one. And 10. Good job. Okay. For our last game for today, this is going to be giant step. So get as far back as you can, but you still need to be able to see me, okay? If you answer correctly, you may take a giant step towards the screen. As soon as you're able to touch out and reach the screen, that is 1 point for you, okay? So I'm going to show you some fractions, and I would like for you to tell me the equivalent decimals. Here we go. 0.531. 0.07. Remember, for this one, it looks just like this. We have to have 2 places behind the decimal because there's 2 zeros. 0.029. 0.21. 0.001. We have to have 3 places because there's 3 zeros down below. 0.01. How many of you have been able to get a point? Very good. Remember, as soon as you get a point, go back and start it over to see how many points you can get. 0.139. 0.009. 0.013. Okay, same game, stay where you are, but this time we're doing the reverse. I will show you the decimal. You tell me the fraction. Here we go. 13 over 1,000, or 13 thousandths. 21 over 100, or 21 hundredths. 29 over 1,000, or 29 thousandths. 7 over 100, or 7 hundredths. 2 more. 9 over 1,000, or 9 thousandths. 139 over 1,000. Good job. Okay, I cannot wait for you to tell me during our class Zoom today how you did with all of our review games for today. Since this is a review day, this is going to be our Fun Friday Math Game Day. So we did 4 different games with 4 different cards today. I'd like for you to spend the rest of your math class time going back and looking at Tuesday's lesson pages and Wednesday's pages, and make sure that you've done as many of those problems as you possibly can. Also, this is just a friendly reminder that your first assessment is due to me today by 1 o'clock. That's before our class Zoom meeting. Remember, you can text me a picture of your work, or you can send that picture to me through my email. Okay, I look forward to seeing you today at 1 o'clock. Have a good day. Bye-bye.